Hello guys, welcome back to another exciting video. Greetings to you all. Thanks for stopping by again. I hope this video is meeting you all in good health. I appreciate you all so much for always stopping by. If you are new here, you are highly welcome to Vivian Recipe. All we do here is cooking, and if you love what we do here, please kindly subscribe so that you don't miss our update. To all our returning subscribers, God bless you and I appreciate you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how I make this one of the best Nigeria snacks called chinchi. This right here is different. It's not your regular chinchi because it's very soft. Even a day-old baby can snack on this chin you are seeing right here. And the most important part is also sugar free. Oh yes, this is sugar free chin. Oh my god. So you see, I have one full coconut already great as you can see. So the next thing is to mash our banana. I will be using 4 banana as our sweetener for this chin. So you see this chin, this one are chin we carry anointing. Imagine adding banana and coconut to your chin. Imagine the combo now. This is worth trying, and you are going to try it out. Don't tell me you will not do. And if you try it out, you will come back and testify. This right here is out of this world. So as you see me doing, the first thing is to mash our banana the way you see me doing. So as we all know, banana is very good. It has a lot of potassium and also has um it can also have it can also boost our energy as well. And coconut is also high in fiber. It also boosts immune system and support our digestive system as well. So imagine putting these two together in your chin. You see that you are not just going to be eating chin, but you are eating chin that carry anointing. So guys, this is all-purpose flour. I will be listing all the ingredients, the quantity at the description box, guys. So first, I added salt to my flour. I added baking powder. I will also add cinnamon powder as well. But note, I'm going to be using unsalted butter. That is why I added salt. If you are using salted butter, please don't add salt, okay? So we are just going to continue. I will mix that a little bit. The next thing will be to add our butter, egg, and continue to mix. So at this time, I added the matching banana. Then I will also add our shredded coconut as well. Then I will continue mixing, guys. So at this point, I'm going to be adding a little bit of water. Because of the banana and the coconut, it doesn't need a lot of water at all. The water I added is not even up to 70 grams at all. So at this point, I just transfer it to the surface so that I can match and mix very, very well. Right now, the dough is ready. I'm going to cover this for 15 to 20 minutes and I'll be back. So at this point, this was 20 minutes later, it's time to roll out our dough so that we can slice. Right now we are done slicing our chin chin. The next thing is to fry. I've checked my oil is heating up, so it's time to start frying in a medium heat, guys. So I just checked to know if it's wet fried. I'm still going to leave that for a few minutes. At this point, it was wet fried. Here we have our chin chin ready to be snacked on. Let me know what you think about this recipe, sugar-free chin chin. Let me know if you'll be trying it out. Please leave your comment, share this video, subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Guys, thank you all so much for always coming back to support us. I really appreciate you all so much. Please share this video out and leave your comment. Let me know, will you be trying this out? Sugar-free chin chin. This is one of my best Nigeria snacks. Guys, see you soon. Remain blessed and stay tuned. God bless you guys. Bye.